Short reminder only, short. Sabi yung catechism, ano magka-catechism ko, sister, ano ba itutulong ko sa kanya? You had been for 4 years tudluan mo, di ba? Only best to ask yourself. Hinamdam pa ba mo sa inyong duties when you were, devotions, when you were still here? Hinamdam ba mo what are those 3 devotions that you should practice as a student? And you are expected to practice also, even though you are graduates. Minsan ay maisog daw, ang sa'yo una. Kasi una na devotion is our Father Founder, Father Al, is asking from each and everyone. Hiluman mo, ako na lang eh. Isorte, aron ka madali. Number 1 is, yes, yung to pray. Number 1, ayaw ito yung kalintian in your prayer. Because that is, sabi nga ni Father Al, it is the oxygen of our soul. So, what tayo mahimo, mamaayo, if you are not connected to God. It does not mean na sige lang o simbahan o sa chapel ba para mag-pray. Alam niyo naman, wherever we are, we can pray. Ang sabi nga ng Panginoon, if you want to pray, you go to the room, close the door, and talk to Him. Sabi niya. Kaya ibig sabihin, even you are in a working place, sa asa mo, nagbiyahe mo, but always to remember God. Kaya hopefully, wak ka mo na ulaw na mag-make ng side of the cross kayo pag kayo magbabiyahe. Before mag-start ang pag-abot, Lord, bless me na makaabot ka ako sa akong kadulungan. Kaya pag-abot naman, Lord, salamat kaayo kay nakaabot kong maayo. It does not mean also to tell, to say it in words in your mind. Kasi mind, sabi nga, when we pray, it is our mind and our heart that talks to God, not actually our mouth. Kasi yung mouth na yan, kung minsan kung ano pinagsasabi, hindi na naiintindihan. But always na our heart, our mind is always connected with God. Hindi lang po enjoy. Even kasi kung minsan pag we are in sorrow, grabe yung pray. Diba, we pray so hard, you shed tears. Kaya pag joyful na gani, nakalimot naman, kaya joyful naman, the heart is full of joy. When we forgot to say, Lord, thank you kaayo sa grasya. We are always told na nandito pa kayo. Diba? Why the Sisters of Mary exist until now? 32 years na namatay si Father Founder. If you are aware, yung kanyang, saan gani? Kung asa gitubong, ikawot na siya. And this found out that it's all bones, other are already dust. Because our Father Founder is very, humble. Ayaw niya maging controversial, na maging, yung bang pinag-uusapan siya, you want to live simple life. Kung napansin nyo, ilang 7 stories building, kung minsan magkasabay ang 3 stories building, binibuild dyan. But you cannot find even a single newspaper or television that pinasalasabi daw that the Father Schwartz is now building 7 stories building in this place, like for example in Bika, in Cebu. Nothing is heard about it. Kasi he is telling, whatever you do, let God only knows it. Then don't let the people praise you. Let God only acknowledges and sees what you're doing. Because yung return is hundredfold. And we are still now existing. We are even now able to build our Sisters of Mary in Africa, in Tanzania. Luckily, I was sent there. Hanggang ano lang ako, 3 years lang. That we have to give chance. Pero it's beautiful. If ever you go, walang pagkakaiba. Mali siguro yung language. So sometimes the color, the difference. Other than that, the same. Meron din silang building, 7 stories building, may swimming pool, may top school, everything. And when we start at the Sisters of Mary, all countries, the 7 countries now, lahat dun, the same. Whatever is you could find in this place, or what you find in the Philippines, you could find it in Mexico, in Honduras, in Brazil, wherever you are. Even in Tanzania this time. See? And if God permits, you might be going to other countries also. Why? We have to save souls. kayo na-save na. Hopefully. But since you are here, ibig sabihin, you still remember you treasure your stay here in a sister's way. Kahit layo mo kaayo, no? Kana ayaw yun, kaniti ang pag-pray. Kung saan itong devotion, no, sa prayer, first is love, loving the Holy Eucharist, di ba? Simba mo. Kung minsan kasi ikapoy mo kayo, layo kaayo. So, you have so many reasons not to attend Mass. Even just once a week, every Sunday. Because that's a commandment of God. Ayaw pa da sa kapoy ko, why time? We are just to look at ourselves. We don't have always time. But we have time for others, no? Enjoyments, chismes, using your phone, whatsoever. You could play games. But then, okay, we'll just spend 1 hour. As other churches, 30 minutes yung kada finish, okay, naman. At least every Sunday, you cannot. Kasi nakalimot man kayo, just to remind you, and have to remind your God's name. No? Wherever you are. No? Kahit na sa ibang bansa, kahit sa, United, ba yun, sa Arabia, Saudi Arabia, may yung mga province natin, nagdalasal sa Espiritu lang. Dahil hindi sila pwede mag-amok ng rosary. Iba nga, may nag-rosary, tinatago lang yun. Huh? And pretending to be doing something, but then in their mind, their heart are praying. They're always connected with Mama Mary Most, especially with the rosary. Huh? Kasi with the Mass, medyo nahirap. Huh? Pupunta pa sa ibang country pa, ibang neighboring places para makapag-isa. At least the rosary, Mama Mary is remembering yun. Always, Mama Mary has to be connected with God. Kaya hopefully, naapasad mo yung mga rosary. Natin mag-graduate, ang pakita sa kung naat pa rosary sa gihatag pa ni yung sister, kanado. Ang uban, nawa na. Ang uban dito sa bag. Ang uban dito sa iyong sakyanan. You have that video in your pocket. Ngayon, meron na nga, to make it simple, may 10 clips na, di ba? Kaya kung minsan pumunta sa iyong bursa, nakapak mo yun. It reminds of somebody. You believe that? Kasi wala kang matawakan, wala kang makita, lahat makalimutan mo. But if you have that video always, yung mga bag, mga girls, mga ladies, yung in-open nyo pa, makita mo ba yung rosary. At least yung puso mo tumibok, oh God, Mama Mary, it's short word only, Mama Mary. Nantayin ko ba? Mama Mary, tabangin ko ba? That's all. That's only prayer, and beautiful prayer comes from your heart. Ganun yun sa pagsisimba. Magsimba kayo, sabi nga, turo nga sa inyo, di ba? Kahit nagsimba ka pa, linggo-linggo, hindi ka man nag-communion, wala din yan. Walang saysay. Anong reason mo? Bakit nagsimba? Press check attendance lang? Para mo sa Boys Town, yun sa Boys Town.
Try daw like...
Pag-check attendance,
sa one,
kaon.
Sa itong group na to ba?
Maghanap panghatag gani, check attendance, president siya. Pero pag humanang gani, wak na. Cleaning time, wak na. Asa na ito? Nagto sport, dula, tapos responsibility. Hindi dapat ganon. Kayo mature na kayo kasi sinasabi na you are already adult. Walang children o adult in prayer. Okay? If you are always connected with God, unknowingly, you are always blessed. Kaya, yung pagsisimba nyo, huwag yung kakalimutan. You have also to share with your batchmate na kung sino nakalimot na, huwag naman sana. Okay? Dahil ang Diyos hindi nakakalimot tayo, kalimot tayo, ang Diyos hindi nakakalimot sa atin. Tandaan nyo yan. So, dapat grateful din tayo, di ba? Ano ang pangalawang dasal nyo? Rosary, napagin ko na, di ba? Wala kayong rosary, hala. Palit mo ugma rosary dito sa... Di ba ligyan itong rosary? Gusto nyo, kanang taas, umubok na ka. Hindi ako, pagbiyahe ka nito, dito magtrabaho sa Lagyo, meron talaga kayong rosary sa kursa nyo. Kung hindi pinapayagan yan, gawin nyo parang natalo yan. Malilit na lang inyo. Lagay sa kitakan nyo. You understand? Kasi, if you are smarter in other things, we should have to be smarter pagdating sa faith natin. Naintindihan po. Kasi, why the Sisters of Mary still exist until now, kahit namatay na si Father? Kaya sabi nga, when the sickness of Father was found out, then everybody were worried, no? But the family the Sisters of Mary, the founder, is not around anymore. He died. You know, Father is also smiling. This work is not mine, it's the work of God. Yung cry yun, yung trust na sa God. This is the work of God. It will just continue. I'm just instrument of God. You see, ano siya? Instrument na siya ng God. Kaya sa aming mga sisters, sabi ko, hindi kayo tumatanda, kami tumatanda. Because we are God's instrument. Hindi kami pinagkalahian. But don't forget, you are loved by God. Okay? Ang love ng God, maring iba-iba siguro yung level. But God loves us very much. More than our imagination. Okay? At ang sitwasyon ng buhay natin, still God loves us. Don't forget. Okay? You have to share. And kung ka mo nakalimot na, you have so many excuses, please go back to the basic prayer. How can I see it? Our success and failure does not matter. What matters is always connect ourselves with God. Kasi kung hindi ka successful, nag-connect ka kay God, you can understand why I'm suffering and I'm experiencing this. Work God has a purpose. Okay? Kung maayon mong kinabuhi, God has also purpose. Why? Binigyan ka ng blessings, special blessings. You have to share your blessings also. Okay? Kaya na, next, na reminder po sa atin, maliban nyo sa ating mga dasal ninyo, yung ating attitude of gratitude. You know, Father Al, na-project niya na yan. And he wanted, kaya ngayong buildings natin, were built strong. Kaya sabi niya, these buildings that I will be building should be strong. Nakabot pa siya ng 100 years. So, ilang taon na yung mga buildings natin? 25 years na. Huh? Ito dito, nag-start ka 1995. Ang Talisay is 1990. O ilang taon na. Diba? And then pa, nabagyo na. Nalindol na. Nakatayo pa rin. Siguro, pak lang yun. Dahil nga sa, siyempre, may gawa tao naman, di ba? Pero ang foundation yan, na 7 point something na yan, hindi yan natibag. Hindi yan siya natumba. Sumayaw-sayaw lang yan. Siguro yung mga parts niya, may nasira siguro. But still, yung pinaka-foundation is just strong. Kasi, hindi lang yan enduring your time until as long as meron pang nagsusuporta at meron pa mga madre na nagtatrabaho. Sisters of Mary still continue to exist. Ngayon, paalala ko sa inyo. Sabi ni Father noon, I'm just lucky, no? Kasi nakasama ko siya. I learned everything from him. Kasi kami yung last na tinuruan niya. Kami maka-profess. Sabi niya, this program will continue depending on how our graduates will perform. Kaya ibig sabihin, our donors before, 20 years before, 25 years before, wala na yung tao sila, mamatay na. Ano mga anak nila, even the one who donated this, na? Yung babae, ano talaga, nasa testament niya pa na papatay ito para makatulong sa mga mothers. Don't expect that our children will continue our work, our support to the Sisters of Mary. Because they have also different ideas. Dahil young generation. Kaya sabi ng mga anak, Ma, Dad, why are you helping the Sisters of Mary? Why are you giving money? There's still so many poor people. There's so many poor countries needs. Why don't work in the Sisters of Mary? We cannot understand. But in the heart of our donors, benefactors, nakita kasi nila yung sincerity, yung purity ng intensyon ng founder. They met Father Al. Sabi nga, they have seen the program, how Father Al managed. Kung si Father ay hindi lang siya good person, I think wala lang si Sisters of Mary. Kung siya ay selfish, they're just thinking of himself. After gathering so many, thousands of dollars of money, he could put that in his name. Hindi. Maniwala ka sa hindi. Pag nandun si Father, walang pera yung bulsa niya. You're always depending on the grace of God. Kung saan siya madatnan, kung saan siya makastap, Wala. Upo-upo lang siya doon, dalagasal siya. Maya-maya may lalapit na sa kanya, pakainin siya. Di maya-maya tanongin siya saan natitira. O invite siya. Ganun lang. At hindi siya namimili na kung saan siya titira. Simplicity niya ba? You understand? Kasi naniniwala siya lahat ng binibigay ng mga donors, benefactors, friends, are not for himself. Naniniwala kayo, wala siya sariling sasakyan niya. Kung may sasakyan man ang Sisters of Mary, that's for universal use. Kung darating siya, yun ang gamitin pang subo sa kanya. Pag andyan na siya, gagamitin niya po children, no, for the patients. Ganun wala talaga nakalisod yan. Kay Father lang yan. Because he does not own anything. Kasi is thinking, after those benefactors, wala na sila. Wala na nga, ngayon. Ilang taon na ba siya namatay? Di ba? Namatay sa 1992. Ilang taon na kayo? 32 years na, no? Oh. Tingnan mo yan. They are still existing. Kaya sabi niya, it will be the graduates who will continue to support. Hindi ko sinabi ko, sinabi na yan. Even you could hear that for the elder sisters, yung nakasama ni Father Al. Yun ang kanyang tinitingnan. Kasi nag-imagine na siya, we will be having 30,000 graduates sa Pilipinas na marami kayo na. If each graduates will support, the Sisters of Mary will continue to exist. Hanggat andyan pa yung mga madre na magsasakripisyo, patuloy yan. But we need support. You know, the basic needs ng bigas. Diba? Pwede pa kuya ka na, bigas, asukal, pati asin. Walang binibili din yan. Pero kung yung mag-graduates na yan, kung meron kayo siguro ibang business yan, asin ang business niya. O, ibigay ng dalawang sako, siguro, dalawang sako, isang buwan, di mo siguro maubos yan. At least yung pera yun, you could use that for other purposes. Di ba? Kung kayo mag-commit kayo by batches, o ngayon sa inyo, yung congratulations, yung spinner. Kasi sabi, sister, huwag ka na walang spinner. Pagsampay lang namin sa puno. Di ba? Sa may plant box, magagalit pa si sister kasi nangabali na yung mga sama. Saka yung mga plant box natin, hindi na plant box sa itsura. Para na siyang palengke. Ngayon pa spinner pa sila. Social naman. My dear graduates, iba na kasi ang panahon. Hindi naman pwede na yung panahon yun. Panahon pa rin kanon. Pwede ba yun? We have to improve also. At kayo nakikita nyo, kayo na-experience nyo kung kahirap mainit. May grupo kasi nag-batch na, ang sa kanila ay ceiling fan. Because sa kami noon, tigtiis lang naman kami na walang ceiling fan, di ba? Tapos, kumutan pa kami ng system, mula dito, ang init-init na nga. Ngayon, social. Gusto niya pala yung naranasan nyo, ang gano'n rin ang naranasan nila ngayon. Di ba para kayo mga magulang, naranasan yung mahirap, ibigay mo naman sa anak nyo, yung may kakayahan kayo. Kasi sa our brothers ka na support, that's why we are very grateful. Pero hindi naman sabi, imagine mo, lahat naman ka ng batches magbigay ng ceiling fan. Sana namin ikabit. Di ba? Ngayon, kung batches naman kaya ibigay nila ay spinner, asa naman yan saksak? Alam mo lang, di ba naman maganda sister, isang bata, isang spinner. It is not necessary, di ba? Isang family, isa lang. Ngayon, iba siguro dalawa. Depende sa availability. Kasi binigay. Basta nagbigay, tanggap ka na dyan. Nakita ng kamay. Di ba? We are always grateful for that. Ibig sabihin, our brothers have realized already the needs. I mean, yan ang tinitingnan ni Father, yan nakita ni Father. Kayo na. Saan para yung iba? Huwag yung isipin yung iba. Kung mayroong kakayahan, bigay mo lang. Without, not grudgingly, joyfully. Kaya nasa mga graduates, mayroong magbigay sila ng 50, 100. 100 bawat sa buwan-buwan. Ikukulekta nyo yan, how much na yan sa buwan? Sa inyo, di ba? Hindi ka nahiya sila, hiya kami, sister, ng 100 lang nakalista doon. Kung wala yung 100 mo, hindi mabuo ang 1,000. We have to be natural, we have to be practical. Ngayon, yung meron namang abon, yung sobra-sobra naman ang blessing nila, they share also, more than others. Ako, dapot ako gihatag-iha, di na ako maghatag karon oy. Sige ka. Di ka na maghatag, mawalan ka yun. Kung sige ka kahatag, sige, abot sa grasya. Why? Because God might have used you as His instrument na tumulong ka. Kung yung ibang tao hindi nyo kilala, hindi nga nakapunta dito sa Church of Mary, but generously, selflessly, nagbigay sila. How much more kayo? Experience kasi ang hirap ng buhay, di ba? Bukat na dito. Grabe yung sakripisyo nyo, one day wala kayong, hindi mo kayo makauwi. Before nga, wala talagang nakauwi. Pero mga ganun, because of their family. Ngayon, social na sila. Ako, di pa, ano na sila? Yung video call? Yes. Eh, ginagawa na kasi yung ano yung phone. Di ba, mga tablet? Naku, yung building, meron na mga wifi yan. Eh, kung magsulat ka, magkano ngayon ang balance sa Korea? So, magpadala ka ng sulat, naku, mahal-mahal pa na. 15 yata o 20. Mahal. Kung malayo-layo ang lugar mo, eh ngayon, pag nag-video call sila, oras lang. Wifi lang yun eh. And they were able to see their family, di ba? Their chance. Yun ang trend. Bakit kami sisunod wala sa natin? Bakit siya yung mga first batch natin, second batch? Kasi tayo pala isa-isa kami ng computer. Kami noon, ano lang, yung buntot, buktot pa, buktot. Diba? Ngayon, ano pa sila, flat screen na. Kaya ano ka naman, wala ka naman biling buktot. Kasi, what is important is, that, generosity of your heart. Kaya tell your classmate, hindi ito pa-contest. Walang contest ito. Walang padamihan ng bigay. Ang importante, nakabigay ka, nakashare ka ba? Hindi kasi mahiya. Ay, mahiya ako mag-join sa kanila kasi wala ako. Yung presensya is more than enough. Diba? It is not a material thing na naibibigay mo. Yung ba makita mo yung kabatsmate mo doon mismo, then you will reminded, what these are the things that we are doing. Yan, kumusta ka na? Maybe sometimes in that time, may problema ka, you could share, ito yan. But, sabihan na lang sila mag-demand, kasi may mga narinig kasi ako, yung mga bats-bats na, maghingi-hingi sila, ay, yung anak ko nakasakit, yung asawa ko, may operahan, ganito. Meron pa ko isang private na love naman yung mga batchmate. Then they give, na-realize, hindi naman pala totoo. That's something that maybe out of fun whatsoever, we don't know. That's why telling, instruction of Father Al, you help the sisters of Mary, you help the children. Now, if you have that generosity for your batchmate, hindi yan masama. It's charity also. But then, I think, to demand, at saka paulit-ulit, I think that is not naman, di ba? It is not na minamasama, hindi po. Kasi sabi nga, when you are still inside the sisters of Mary, bawat isa para kayong seed, your seeds, tinanim, nalagaan kayo, diniligan kayo, minupitan ng buko, pati their cutter, everything to grow, to be a different person in your buwan. Lahat kayo. But then, bawat isa, kayo nga meron mga puno na bansot, meron naman na maraming bunga. Even the same lang na place naman yun. That's the God has a plan. Okay? What is important, ikaw yung puno na yun, isa lang bunga niya. It's okay, at yun yung isa. Kung wala man, no problem, kasi nakabigay ng shade. Can you understand? That is life. You're doing, contributing something unknowingly. Kaya kasi ang tingin ka nga, we are too materialistic. Hindi. Kaya sa inyong 12 months. Sabi na ni Kuya, after 20 years, tama nakabalik. Nakalimutan niya ang pintuan ng Sister Sumer, saan ba ang mendo? O main stair? O saan ang side stair? Nakalimutan na, all those years. But it's different. Some of our brothers are sharing. Sister, when we get inside, we step on, yung first step pa lang nila yan sa God house, nanibaw ng balahibo system, lahi man yun. Yung they feel peace. Lahi man sister, nanindot ka ay, mura gilang kong gawas. Di man pwede kuya kasi, nakulang ka na. Hindi ka nakasama sa budget. na-realize nyo, na-refresh kayo, you're right here inside. Some of the graduates when they join, kasi every Sunday, even girls, every Sunday, in their early mass, Sister Eva is allowing them to eat with the boys. Or family. Others, they choose their family same before. Then they work, they eat with the children. We have to share. Because at the beginning, you are just the same with them students, di ba? Now you are successful. Whatever issues life now, then you encourage them. Encourage them to really, ka na mga nalinaw, that's nothing, ka na sa gawas sa mga life, that's nothing. Tapusin mo muna. Then, oras ng tapos ng kain. Ang iba, magbunot. Sabi ng isang graduate sister, isang punta lang kung hindi na ako makamali. Hingal, wala hangin. Ang iba, naghugas ng plato. They still remember, they recall their life there inside. Then they share with the children. And the children, they have big eyes. Look, pinuot ko yan? Oo. Sabi, ako lang, ikat-kat sa ko. Mayo wala, kaya nagakpan ko. Ako na yun. Oh. Pamisan ko yan, kung saan pinaanak. And those little things, then from that, they learn something. Then ngayon, ano na kayo? Yung isang tayo graduate, and that's from Iloilo also. Ano na siya? Chief engineer na siya. Nang dumating sa rito, nanood t-shirt. Very, very simple guy, no? This from Iloilo. Si
Aris.
Aris? Oh, yes. Ano, sabi niya sa mga bata, nakita, bunot siya, bunot. Hindi niya makabunot. Kulang ng hangin. Oh. Yun yung mga ganun na experience na. Tapos sabi ng ate, alam niya na kuya na yan, ganito na yan sa natapos niya, ganito na yan. Talaga kuya? They're inspired. Huh? Wis, simple na akala namin, nagtitindala ng balot. Yung iba naman, yung siyempre maporma sila. Alam niyo noon, akong sinina, naku, gising-gising na siya. Pero kapag naman tanong mga bata kayo, branded na damit, tanong na kuya, tanaw ng sapatos. So, ang galing ni kuya. Kuya, pila na siya. You know, that's little things which inspires them na when we were also first year, grade 7 pa sila. Hanggang grade, ano pa nga grade 12 pa. You know, the same also ng lifestyle. But then, nung bumalik kayo, you have accomplished something. Because you could share with them, encourage them. Hindi nyo kailangan bigyan niya ng pera. Saan nyo nabigay ang pera? Kami na bahala sa pagkain, ano gusto nila? Hindi kayo magbibigay. Oh. Yung iba, some Sundays, nagbili sila ng 80s. Sometimes yung family na ilagaan nila, meron silang kain-kain dito, meron banding-banding sila. Sister Eva allowed it. What's the reason? In order for the children, sometimes they have something in their mind or heart that they cannot open up to sisters or to their helping brothers. But they could open up to their ate or kuya. Then the kuya or the ate will tell the sisters, those are the brother and the boys, then they have idea. Then they play with them, recalling the past. You understand? You know, you are very special this time. This is not the opportunity to pay back. Mas naging pay back, hindi pera yung tinasabi ba. You want to encourage the boys, the children, the girls even, that they have to treasure their stay here. They could study, of course, outside free. Everything is free. But the education that they have, the discipline that they have, ngayon na hindi na makagaya ng discipline sa inyo noon. Diba? Ngayon, hindi mo na sila piling paluin, hindi mo na piling purutin, pero hindi mo piling na. Ewan ako, at ang pasyente ko rito, kung minsan nakakalimutan ko, hindi pala pwede. Kasi ako noon talaga terror, di ba? No, terror, di ba? Oo. Pag-narinig pa lang yung bingo. Naku, si Sister Noe na yan, patay tayo. Wala na namang free time. Ngayon, hindi na. Because the situation is different. Naku, kasi yung human rights na yan. Or kasi tinuturo sa'yo yung human rights, students' rights, walang children's rights. Ngayon, tinuturo na. Kasi hindi na pwede, diba? Even families, parents na yun, hindi nila pwede pagalitan. Diba? Teacher na yun, yung graduate teachers, naku, nagigigil sila. Hindi nila pwede makurot. Kahit sigahan mo ng matay, susumbong sila. You know, the difference of life before. Kaya sabi ng graduates, we are still very lucky during our time. Because from that, you might be very strict with us, but we learn many things. Kaya yung mga bata, even nag-graduate, nag-compensate sa Panginoon, yung mga kuya namin, pag tinignan lang kami, nanginginig na kami sa pa. Ngayon, sister, tingnan namin sa saway namin, binalikan pa kami. Tapos, isok pa sila. Yeah, but then, more or less, compared to other students, children, our children are still the best. No? They still have that, they always go back to the basic na there's respect, prayer. Saan ka mapunta? The whole world. Our boys pray rosary kneeling down. You cannot find that, only Sisters of Mary. Then you could find them at their gathering, they're making a line straight without the sisters. Kasi may sekretos, may sign yun. Pag ganyan, tumayo na si sister, alam na niya yun. Pag ganyan-ganyan, ako ba'y naka-align? Hindi. Because sisters know they're alaga, di ba? Those are little things, but then it has a big impact to the student. Kaya hopefully, kayo, because you're here, and you experience everything, and you learn from it, and you treasure it, then you have to share also with your companion. You understand? You are very important this time. Kayo na ngayon ang pader na aming sasandigan. Di ba dati? Yung ano ba yun? Parang kang kasandal sa pader. Huh? Ngayon nakasandal na kami sa pader. Who is our pader? You. Huh? How many thousands of graduates we have from the first batch? Itong graduating this Tuesday, girls will be Monday. 29 na sila. Almost more than half na naman yung di ba? You see, bilis. We are still here. The sisters are still here. I'm still here. Huh? And you are now what you are. Do you think, sabi nga, sister, if nagbilat na sisters of many, I'm not what I am now. I'm very happy and proud every time I met graduates. You know, they are not thinking about their life in college, actually, nag-aaral. They're not thinking about that. You know, sister, when we apply, we use our diploma sa high school. But the sisters of Mary, because many of the HR ngayon are graduates. When they're looking at applicants, pag graduates na separate, then after that, first they will accept our graduates. Even in military, ganun din. You know, our graduates, mga kuya, mga sila, mga bigate. Kaya pag nahuli kami, ngisi-ngisi lang. Ano man, si kuya man, nakahuli. Diretso na lang. Hindi naman siya, but that's something very special, di ba? Because kasi na sister ito. And noon, pinagja-jogging, pinagpipiko, ngayon, mga na sila, di ba? There's somebody. Do you think it will happen without Sisters of Mary? Special blessing kasi kayo eh. Yun alam yung reason mo bakit blessed kayo. You're praying. You know God. Nakalimot man kayo, but that time will come, maglabang ka. Ay, Diyos ko. Isn't it? There's always something that they're connected with God, and that's a blessing. Compared with others. They just live by themselves. Sisters of Mary graduates, they live with God. You go, you know, I experienced kasi going to other countries, no? Every corner, may graduates. Magulat ka na lang, tabihan ka. Sister, you saw me? You know, kahit sa airport, sister, ako na pa magbibigay. Sabi ng kasama ko, sister, ano yan, porter, magbabayad ka dyan. Walang pera matri. Sabi, sister, dapat pa ako, nakaka-off na lahat. How nice, beautiful, isn't it? Experience. We're very proud of our children, our graduates. Yeah, but we go back to the basic. Sabi ko nga, we need your help. And in order for you to help, hindi masayang ninyo, hindi pa ma-waste yung tulong nyo, because maybe you have good idea, but the sisters have different ideas. You could ask the sisters, sabi ko nga kay Kuya, na maybe you ask the sister, what are the needs ng mga bata? Kasi this time marami ng tulong ng graduates actually. Yung mga batches, yung iba sila ng iba, yung alumni nakakatulong sa uniform ng bata, tingnan yung mga damit nila, iba na. Yung mga, iba na, di ba? Kaya ako nakikita ko, mga bata namin noon, mga itsura, ngayon iba na. Alaga pa ba namin ito? But we have to do that, why? Kasi iba na nila sitwasyon sa labas. Gusto ko ba yung alaga, si Sir Sumere, para sa kusgusin? Hindi naman. Pag si Sir Sumere, smart yan. Mga damit nila, malinis sila. Ay, kasi si Sir, chicken yung mga bata. Chicken yung mga damit. Amuyin. You know, mothers are like that, isn't it? Our children are really very, very good. That's why you are become very good. You become very good also. And it's our joy and our happiness, a fulfillment ng aming buhay as sisters that you have like you. Okay? And you're also the model of our younger ones. That continue to do what you're doing. As I've said, please don't disconnect yourself from God. Some of our graduates are disconnected na sila, but they're still welcome. Sometimes they go to other sect. Maybe they found God there, but you know, sabi nga, baba ng posisyon, babalik yung simbahan. Kasi sabi ni God, I am the beginning and the end. I'm the Alpha and the Omega. Kung may man nalihis, alam niya babalik pa rin. Related graduates, may nalihis man, it's okay. No one is perfect. Okay? Kaya you should not discriminate others. You have to embrace them because they're still your brothers and sisters. That's why we also practicing brotherly love. Above all, sabi ng God, love your neighbor as I have loved you. Okay? Thank you very much for coming. Thank you for listening. Kuya, stop mo yung hindi maganda. Kasi mamaya magalit sa akin yung ibang bus. But also, you have to learn also from it.
I can't attest her.
Because it's a reality. Understand po? Kaya kayo din, you have your own way of helping. Kaya I'm very happy. Naku, may spinner na. Yung boys namin, yung mga bata. Kaya lang kasi yung boys, magaling sila mag-discover. Paano kaya ito? Pwede ba itong palikot, kabila naman? Yung mga boys, di ba ganon? Yes. Yung isa nang ikot, kung balita naman kaya. Ano na sila na? Ano magagawin ni sister? Magagamit kasi, wala na, wala ka na magawa, nagagamit na sila na eh. Palitan po yan, palitan mo naman yung spinner namin. Kasi sinira ng boys. Sabi ng rabbit, okay po siya sa ilan. O, di ba? Ang galing. Kuya, yung aming, si Lipan, hindi na umiikot. Ano na lang? Isang direction na lang. Ano yung gusto ni sister? Anong brand? Magaling, may brand pa. You know, how nice? Because our brands have different words. Hindi na kasi, may electrical, nakakagawa. Pati sa agriculture, graduate din tayo sa agriculture. Kahit sa anggulo, merong graduates. That's the miracle of our Father. Kaya ang problema na sister, ang problema kung saan man dyan, may lawyer. May problema sa pasyente, may doktor. May problema sa munisipyo. Bawang graduate. You see, it makes the sister's life and the children's life inside easier. Wala ka mo nag-graduate kung saan na lang gawin. Yun, di ba? Pero sa mga teachers natin, marami na kasi mga master na sila. May mga sister, sponsor ko ito. Pinapasok na yung scholars ba? That's something, di ba? Kayo noon ba kami si Sabula? Ang ganyan. Scholar, di ba hinanapan? Ngayon, libre na, di ba? Everything is sa colleges say to them, huwag lang kayo pumunta sa private, mahal yun. But then, may mga graduates na natapos ng private working student. And since they're performing very well, hindi sila tinatakalwalan. Yan is SGR. Most of their working students are from our school, boys and girls. Kasi sa boys, may problema sila sa aircon, marunong mabuting-ting. May problema sa ilaw, tawagin ang taga-Boys Town. Sa computer, anywhere. Boys and girls, they can do it. Kaya kung minsan umiyak ng isang bata, naiyak, bakit umiyak? Kasi po ako na lang gawain nila binibigay sa akin. Kasi mabilis na po kasi ako. marunong mas mag-English. You have to be grateful kasi sigurado ka hindi pakawalan. Di ba? Maybe yung experience, sino sa inyo na natanggap ng graduates natin na sponsoran in your level, ng mga trabaho nyo? Wala pa. Yung mga nasa, mayroon ka na ate?
No, like, I was hired because yung HR is a graduate of the Sisters of Mary. I'm not really sure, pero I've experienced when I was in Laguna. Nung nakita niya sa resume ko na I'm a graduate, nakilala din siya, and it happened na HR siya ng company niya.
Wala. Di siya mukha?
Kaya yung pag may estudyante, merong pumapasok, ang trabaho na ng graduates natin, mas magaan. Kasi brother nila yun eh, di ba? Tapos pag binoboli, agad-agad na doon. Kasi may mga posisyon na, may kapitan na tayo, ha? May pilot na rin. At nalagyakan na rin. Nalagyakan airline.
Nagyabang ka din.
Yes, hindi pwede Father is making miracles. God, isa kayo. Kaya ako, di ako natatakot kung saan ako mapunta. Bakit maraming nasasalot sa akin? Siyempre ako naman tanda, di ba? May mga graduates, hindi matagal na. Mga graduates pa lang, naku, kung minsan nag-awal pa sila, ako nang susunod kay sister, sige, kami na lang maghatid. Kasi may mga sasakyan na. Sabi ng mga younger graduates, kasi wala tayong sasakyan. Kaya how beautiful is it eh? Hindi sa nag-ganon. It's a blessing. Kaya kung sa hospital, pag nakakita ng madre, kung tawagin yung mga nurses, yung mga kasino lang dyan, ang itikod yan. Mabilis palagi ang proseso. Without the graduates, ano na lang? But in the beginning, everything is always easy. Kaya, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Do you remember what to do? You're blessed. Huwag natin to complain, ha? Yes. Blessed talaga kayo. Ako din blessed, bakit? Nakikita ko kayo. Diba mga rich pa.
Ayun, obese na.
Ano ba, share ka na po.
Yung natin niyo ba yun na blessed kayo?
Yes, yes.
Kasi talaga, kung saan ako napunta, I consider the older graduates, yung mga younger graduates naman natin, yun ang role ng mga younger graduates are the helpers of the older graduates. Sila yung errand boy and errand girl. Kaya nung nakapula tayo doon, ako kuya, ako ate, the work is made very easy and fast. Kung nakita mo, the older graduates, we take care of the younger brothers and sisters. Kaya mapunta na sila sa inyo, whatever you are, it's your responsibility kasi tayo. Kung may makulit man, sawayin mo. Don't ignore. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sister.
Sipan ko ng konti. Tapos tapikin mo sa likod. Kaya naaangan, di ba? Voice down tayo. Dapat tama nga lang. Okay, thank you again. Tinanong ko yan yun eh, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos, alam ko sa voice, yung ganun sila. Sa